Today we talk about how can you enable favorites lists on your notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go down, you click here on my Redfin, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on app notifications. So then you come to next here, come here to favorites list. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's made here favorite list notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.